So my name is Catherine Lee, and this is my entry for the 1 minute fist ping form challenge. Okay, ready, set, go.
I saw a paint. Well, yeah, they have a shirt. They actually have a shirt. It's like a striped shirt, and right here it opens up, and you see a baby peeking out over the edge. It's actually the shirt is made that way. Remember what Stephanie showed you?
Doing spinach, huh?
Beautiful.
That's a star. Who's helping me to record it?
Hello.
Does it feel good when she's doing that? It feels so wonderful on your face.
Alright, there it is. Stop.
Wow.
Alright, there's
Oh
a
my
bird.
gosh. Look at that. That is gorgeous.
Alright.
Because he's been waiting for over a month.
Alright, there you go. Thank you.
Am I ever going to get my shirt?
Stop.